we've just landed at O'Hare International Airport. It's about 9 minutes before 10 p.m. You may use your cell phones if you wish. Please keep laptop computers turned off, however. Also, for everyone's safety, keep your seatbelts fastened now as we taxi. When our captain has brought the aircraft to its final stop at the gate and turned the seatbelt sign off, you'll be free to stand and move about the cabin. Please be sure to check carefully for everything you brought on board before leaving. Our apologies for our late arrival this evening. We hope we can serve you better in the future. But we do thank you for flying with us tonight. It was a pleasure having you on board. We look forward to seeing you all again. Have a wonderful weekend.